it's always been, that's how it's gonna be. I'm looking down on you.
Alright guys, so as you guys know, the truck that I drive is a 96 F-150 that is two-wheel drive with an automatic transmission. One me and Clinton ride around in all the time for the trail to go get parts and stuff, old utility truck. And well, we're about to go today. We're going to go pick up a 5-speed manual transmission, a Dana 44 front axle, and a Bornwerger transfer case for the truck. So we're going to go make a little video about going and picking all that up and converting it to 4-wheel drive manual with a Bornwerger transfer case. It's going to be awesome. Oh, we're also going to put a Detroit locker in it too. Alrighty guys, so we're on the interstate. Camera's probably shaky, probably because this is a shaky truck. Just a good old truck. But we're on our way right now to go pick up that transmission with the Dana 44 front end and all that crap. And oh crap, got some traffic road up here. Don't want to run that over. Woo! Just cruising along at 70. What a good truck. It's a little hot here. So we don't know if we're gonna be able to film the transmission off when I get there. But I did take the welder out of the bed so that way I can fit all the parts back there. Because it will be a tight squeeze, otherwise. And I got about 16 more miles before I gotta get off the interstate, so it's a little bit of a haul, but whatever. It'll be pretty cool when the truck's done. See you guys later. Alrighty guys, got the transmission crap in the back of the truck. So we got our front end and all that. So it's after dark, so I'm gonna have to go home. Obviously, it's gonna be kind of fun riding around with all that crap back there, not strapped down. And tomorrow, in the daylight, we'll take a look at everything we got for the swap, and hopefully I can figure out how the hell I'm gonna get home. Alrighty, guys, so we got our, I think that's a Mazda M50D Bornwerger transfer case, rear drive shaft, and our two front end pieces with the manual worn. I think they're worn, I'm not sure. Locking hubs manual, the way it should be. It's gonna be awesome.